Meaning of disconsolately.
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 Disconsolately. The word disconsolately describes a feeling of sadness or disappointment that cannot be comforted. It is an adverb that usually describes the way someone looks or behaves when they feel hopeless or dejected. For example, a person may sit disconsolately on their bed after receiving bad news or walk disconsolately through the park on a rainy day. The word disconsolately conveys a sense of deep, persistent sorrow, often marked by a lack of energy or motivation to carry on.